Some people may have about 3 different lives for share with you know. See, me have one with Rosealee. I respond to Raja. Remember, me share with you yesterday. Raja bring down Rosealee. Not really bring down. Him just attack him mind. You see me I say? So Rosealee reply to Raja. See, me I go share that with Uno. Plus my people. Raja never done. Raja go for this woman here. Where she did the one where make Raja fix up the old lady place. We drop out now. The old lady drop out, you know. But she did want the place for herself. You know, Raja go deal with her, my people. You don't want to miss that. Right? Also, people, it's just one thing after the other. RT boss and Blinger kick off. Blinger man have some things to say about Wagwan. You know what I mean? So people, that one you had. So we're gonna get tonight, we're gonna kick it off with Rosealee. I respond to Raja, and then we get into the rest of things.
When class me say, whole heap a bring down. Same class, Raja class me. You sure? No, come on, make sure, you know. Because I have seen, make sure. What him say? Come on, to tell me what him say. And what did he say? So somebody type what I'm saying. We not go watch no screen record. So him dark up. I have seen a lot of people this Raja on TikTok. And I believe that Raja only have strength for women. I have seen a lot of people this him on TikTok, a lot of people. And I only believe that Raja have strength for women. I say a lot, I say pretty Dan come out, come this him. I say a lot of people come out, come do it. A lot of people. So me now look. Me not looking power taps. Me don't want a crowd or you have to tell me what people say for what people now say. And for what people I say and what people for people now say. Me not have them time then. Come now argue over coins. Me not argue over coins. Me not arguing over coins. Me not come for here with people. I make him talk with more talk say. You have time for this can and true true, you know, Roger will angle you. Roger can't angle me. Roger can't angle me. You guys are stupid. Roger can't angle me. Roger can't angle me. I'm not gonna argue. I don't want me not know nobody badness. Well, who long not come so now with this? What wrong with you now? What you mean by me know you same thing where you can do, me can do too. You can't put a price on my head, me can't put a price on my head. You come in and tell it. You can't put a price on my head, me can't put a price on your head too. So what's the one that come talk about Fred? Fred of what? I don't afraid of nobody and nothing. Him can't put a price on my head, me can't put a price on female too. And the same thing, it need money. I don't afraid of nobody. Just have comments to come type this bakery. Sure. When I run me off a TikTok, you know. Una no friend them nah run me off a TikTok. Una no friend them nah run me off a TikTok. Angel, I what's up? Una no friend them nah run me off a TikTok. You understand? Una no friend them nah run me off a TikTok. So I don't know what the whole story about then. What the whole story then, and what is the whole story now? Over two, I don't care. That don't really have nothing to do with me. Who want to have badness and who want to have badness. That don't have nothing to do with me. That don't have nothing to do with me. Because I not pay for live now.
Rich badness, you know, a town man style. On the year Rosealee say, you put a dollar, me put a dollar too. You see me a rich badness that. You see me, Jano star, but this is the first person me see. This up Rosealee, so wicked. And Rosealee no come back hard. So me I say, so it look like say Rosealee know the badness and know say yeah, hear me. I don't go so hard, you know, but I go talk back in a little way. You see me? So I want to tell me one thing, but you know what I mean? For it reach that far where they might take it to a different level, I mean, not like that. You know what I mean? So tell me one thing, my people. I could listen to Rosealee say some more.
So I don't know what not come about. I not go over go check nothing. No. Me not go over nowhere go check nothing. Me not walk a search for nothing. Me not check nothing.
No badness.
What's up? I'm your favorite. I'm in the whole out now. Run come over here like chicken Marriott then here. I don't want to run come over here and about this. Me not check nothing. You come well on the road, come over here so far. Don't know if you say me I got really answer Roger. Me not answer Roger. You know why me not answer Roger. You know why me not answer Roger? Me see many people class him and tell him the worst. I've never hear him open his mouth. Me never hear him when the who come down upon him and tell him say my this, and who come wrong and tell him say my that. Me not gonna argue with him. When the man come from foreign, when he blood clad Chris, I man Chris meet up and about no know and him take picture and show it over here. Me never hear him open his mouth. Me not argue with him. Me not argue with him. Me not want to see your badness, sir. You keep your badness to yourself. As smart do not look at eye power. Me not argue with no over coins. Cause that's if I keep her something and me never know. So she keep her something. I don't know what the bag of argument for. If you want Nasiva just keep her. Simple. Cause we not have no shoot at them and shoot them as when some shooter shoot big, when run go turn them in a moderator and want them for shoot for uno and uno alone. So no cause problem. No cause no problem with me, sir, over coins. If you want Nasi for shoot for you alone, tell Nasi, look here, you know, don't shoot for nobody else but me. Simple. Don't shoot for nobody but me. Don't come in an argument to me right over blood clot kind, brother. That'll give me a girl vibes. I am man. Don't tell me about no badness over coins. And a dog eat dog with Nasi. If you want Nasi, you keep her. Tell her not shoot for me again. Simple. Don't give me no come give me no coins, brother. Me not gonna do that with you coins. Me there long enough, I live. Me there long enough, I live. And satisfied with where me get. Me not argue with over coins. Me not going to do it. Who now look hyper argue over coins? And what this is so? Me have shooter who go all about go shoot me in a story with them when I come. Me have shooter. When them come back per mile, when them come per my life, me see them with level up. Me could argue with the people for show them on money. One who argue with me over people and them money. Go. Now see no come back, come send no more. Cause me no want Roger send nobody come analyze me. Let me two pitney them over coins, please. Yeah, me have to tell you the truth. Don't send no more. Me can't take the poke. Analyze me. Yeah, over kind. Cause the amount of people me say class you on TikTok. You know come out strong for them and me and Brit. Me say you try to come out strong for. The amount of people me say class you on ya. Screen a card in wouldn't hold on more than one. All somebody troll you.
June, listen to this. You see, some of them people, greetings everybody. They're in an argument with nobody over nothing because the strength when come for you with, it never have it for such man as some rest of people when me see come out for him on the internet.
But me I say
over some foolishness, something when it really makes sense, something that really call for over people this. Which in fact, if you didn't know, say the lady did have a, we call it box drop or drop box or wait one, them know it a reach or something that go give her back a strength. If you don't know, you just don't know, so where the back of excitement for? Or him attack, even if him never mention the name, him know you know.
I mean attack.
Even if him never mention the name, so me I say, me see some screen record and me I say, blood clot, that's so it's serious.
Me attack. And then
some people come out say him so cool and do the things them. Him not behave so. But are you him want threaten and do the things them I say, oh, you for this him, you're not gonna diss him and this and that. The pay them the mind, leave the people them alone, avoid the people them.
You're afraid of Raja Toto?
Because some of them only come from the media go like them bad and this and that and not about them.
I'm not afraid of Raja Toto. Me not afraid of Raja.
So fight them, time to bring this to you and threat to you like say.
But I'm saying, why are you doing it over coins? You look stupid.
Whether or not they never decide yet, but you must send threats. And look how much people come from the media, come bring him do this and him do all type of things. I mean, at church, we see him go.
Remember that time the people when Raja go to the Lord. Remember that time the people are pretty than they beat him wicked. Raja end up on the Lord to blow up. Me not lie. But my people, tell me if you don't feel like say Raja go too hard pan Rosealee, you know what I mean, and him never have them the type of strength that when they come to like pretty than other people where diss him. You see me, because Mr. Raja, you know what I mean, I tell Pretty Dan say, yo, don't beat me for that week, yeah. You know what I mean? Please don't beat me for that week, yeah. You know what I mean? When Pretty Dan do my wickedest way. You see me? But certain people is like him choose to go hard upon them. But me know one thing my people are gonna listen some more.
Yeah.
I prayer meet, let me see him have.
That's
The
the
men none of
time.
them come for the media, come go like them want to call you down. The men none of them.
Bestie boss sitting now.
Me not laugh to see people come for the media say him suck with them put out video with him and say him has never seen blood clot come say him I got to nobody. I prayer meet, let me see him have. So make them go and make them frighten you, go like say them bad and this and that. Anything you can do, you use your money, and if you don't want to use the money, you use the law. Alright, my gone people, big up on yourself. I just that me have to tell you, and make them cow you down, cause none of them no bad.
That is my bestie. Yeah. I'm my best. I'm my bestie that from back in the days. But me don't know why. And that's why over your full say, you know. Come here, say. I offer something cheap for over your full as me come. Normally when me come on, if you have your belly blame tap reach 500 people. When me look up, me say 500 people. That's so quick. Yeah. I mean you want to start from. I mean you want. Me no want hear it in a jokes. Me no want hear that. Me no want hear that at all.
Raja, if you know, say,
I don't want to hear that.
Raja, if you know, say, you get a lot of people get involved now. No?
I don't want to hear
That
that.
pussy can't walk downtown, no one here.
Jake, go on the man with up a talking about Raja.
Yeah, I want to talk about this.
Can't bother with up a talk.
That's about it.
Me I wonder why me. Me I wonder why me. The Rasta girl with the pants will come pan ya.
Anything you want to talk for the media, talk for the media. If you feel a boy or a girl come for you, talk and you defend yourself. Because I'm going to talk about nobody can listen. Look how much people diss him. Look how much people diss him for the media and bring him down. Them a go like them bad.
I better that me I say.
Them a go like them
The more
bad.
people me say this him. The more people me say this him. What live right at Jamaica, ya so.
I mean, I tell you, say everybody are going to come for you because everybody want to hype up for you. But I tell you, say to pay them the mind. But if that boy they come for you, talk anything you want to talk. Talk anything you want to talk. So anything do him do it. Can come from the media, come say, you can't this him. And if you this, him a beg you for this him. I'm going like them bad.
But me never this him.
Me never know him say never say. Any bus up, you bust it up. Him attack the whole general, yes, but you figure out say you him attack, so you come out and talk, yes, you're back, broad. Anything you want to talk, you talk, right? Go like him bad. But no know about him, nobody never hear about him. We never hear him make no police run. The baddest set of man them hear about that for police, we never hear female name call.
And we know this.
So him come and talk about no boy can this. Because people this simple drag him all about a church prayer meeting, me see him keep. Prayer meeting. I'm in a business. Anybody want to come for me, because remember I work for mine when I know disrespect to who come on the social media and sit down and talk for them because I work on the work too. Work for mine. That I feel trouble. Nobody can't drag me now because I work for mine. I never come for you to come beg.
But at the end of the day, what you ask
people
for?
Think. And the woman now create a scene. The woman
I never know the woman that keep them out.
I tell him to do all type of things I never seen come to. You see some of them money and woman strength alone them have, you know.
People, wanna tell me what you think because when you hear Rosealee man jumping at film woman and make Raja know say yo, you hear them say Raja fi pay fi live. You see me I say so more I know what you think about that or what they mean by that. If him a fi give extortion money or because him rent a place and I live or him have to give it bad man them money. tell me what you think in the comment section, what that mean. You see me? But people, me no want see this go in a way where them actually in a real vibes. You know what I mean? If them a cuss, them cuss and just left it right there. So I'm not like Raja, him wrong for bring badness in the argument. But let me know what you think.
Set them up.
See them come for woman, me now see them go feed both the boy so. Cause them know what time it is.
Me not understand, you know.
I wait one them. I never cuss WD. Me not call the people them name call me in the social media drama. I fight for people money. It's a combat. Most of them I look when they see them I call the name June. I wish if I could not chat to some of them and answer some of them, make them wonder, oh Rosealee now answer me, oh she not this and oh she not that. Give them time, make them talk alone. How long them can talk for? Them too enough of them come on social, enough of them bad on them phone. And when they see them in a real life, them not even one you and them I make 4. When them a come and talk about this and that and XYZ. Them a go like them bad. Me not laugh a real time. Me I make some of them man them have strength from some toe. Me see how them come for the woman them pan the bum buckler TikTok. Me not see them a toe to toe with no man so. Me not see them a toe to toe with no man so. A woman straight them have. Suppose you hear the boy go on the phone to them about this and that and you might beg for this man, this and that time. I mean never see much people tell him say do all type of things as a man. I mean never see him come out a prayer meeting. Me see him blood clad keep.
Total look what people tell I just say on TikTok. I never hear him go answer. More than one people tell him that. I mean, never them type, them talk it. Mr. Put it and class him down to the ground and tell him say him have him girlfriend as a cover up and class him. A friend, me see him friend, I wonder what do you know me so all the while? What do you know me so?
Me see I argue with people.
What do you know me so?
Like saying I have a life like people don't say. Them crosses say them full of too much problem and trials and tribulations. Some of them are curse, some of them make them drop no curse by you. Sometimes I never them for answer to. Me say listen to me, say sometimes and all of them you for answer to make them talk and wonder, oh Rosealee no clap back yet. Or Rosealee no say nothing. Sometimes you think when they see all the screen record them, you just do like in a blood clot see them. And you look on them and you come for your life and you turn it on and you talk to your people and if they want to send a gift, them send a gift and you play a 2 little game, them pay them the mic or sometimes I entertainment them a look and fame. Make them go. And them are like them are bad people, we don't know as them as no bad people. I not disrespect him, I not say no, but there's a whole heap of people I see come film on the media, I never see my behave and come out so. Some serious allegation called for him name and a prior meeting I see him take. I never hear him come out and say, oh, what kind of this you know call for my name, what kind of this, what kind of that. Make them go on where them are going and make them take the step on you. Me don't laugh people I real talk me, I make enough people me see you and them in argument, June, I me not say nothing. Me see the screen record them. When you lock off your life and you call me and I reason and I say, June, oh, you want people in arguments every day, I want to use every week and somebody. But when I see the screen record this morning, I say, so I'm come up on June, so. The way I see you go live now and I scroll through the tickers there, I see you go live. I have to say, no man. I have to come, I have to say, hard me. But them two time, I say, suppose you hear the youth behave and I say, so let's say, what you do? And what you do? So I say, nothing wrong if the woman send you gift.
People, wanna tell me what you think in the comment section. Wanna tell me, wanna feel like, if wanna feel like say Raja, him overdo it and him should have got so hard at Rosealee, you know what I mean? But Rosealee, me feel like say, she by telling the people them say she never know, instead of it tell them say she never remember, kinda make Raja feel some type of way because Raja himself knows say them tell Rosealee and them talk about it, you see me? So she should have said she never remember more than telling them she never know, you see me? But me not think Raja did figure so hard till him all say why we do and him want, you know what I mean, that never call for. You see me I say? And tell me what you think about what Rosealee man say. So people, Raja never done this, you know. Raja have this to say to that woman here where she, as me say, did that she link him for fix up the old woman place. You know what I mean? But right now, my people, I done Raja, I done her in the wickedest way. So make we hear what him have to say.
Me do it and me shut you down.
It's one of the videos them
Number
roast
one
people
fit,
from
number one
Nancy.
snipe. Remember you come tell the people them oh you have businesses, I have houses. Hey girl a lie, you tell.
The gift that them a spend.
Hey girl a lie, you tell. Remember you come tell me oh the man crash your car, write it off. Send up your credit, put you in a bankrupts. You dip on your face and you beg me for help you for rank so you can get a bus.
So the same rank of them when she a class are the same
So the
thing.
same rank of them where you bring down, a jealous, you're jealous away. You're jealous away. Talk the truth. Kasha, me not talk about you, you know, because you's a big bungler, dirty Kalalu. You're a dirty bungler, Kalalu, where people pick up off a road. Me not chat to dirty bungler. Kasha, I should have never even mixed myself with your girl. Kasha, I should have never even mixed myself with you much as so what in a bucket. Hey, girl, nobody enough to buy from you. I'm going to bring you down. I don't know how you sell egg sandwich and them blood clot. Something nobody enough for blood clot buy from you. Nobody enough for buy from you. It's in a bucket when you wipe. Remember good no? It's when you forgot dash it way, it dash up on your apron. So how you want chat to me? Hey girl, you bucket. Chat to health inspector. And go and don't eat me, eat your family them and eat your blood clot sister we have toilet in the yard where you could use. I mean, you want to do wickedness. Why you never do wickedness for your sister? We have a toilet next door in the same yard that you could use it. Or you never do she the things them. You come tell me, oh, she have toilet and lock it up and don't make you use it. She are wicked. Kasha? Oh, you never talk about that. Why you hate me? Why you not hate your sister where you talk, say lock up the toilet and make you can't use it? iPad, your honor. Me not have to send a man for you either, Kasha. Kasha, me make you put, because when me a talk a facts, anything you say about me, I make you go make it up. Anything you not go say about me, I make you not go make it up. Anything you not come with me about, you not go make it up. But remember, you come tell me, say your sister lock the toilet for you pick them. Remember, you say so, I never me. Don't hate me. That hate what you have for me, have it for your sister. The hate what you have for me, have it for your sister. Remember what I said to you when you said that. Remember what Roger said to you when you said that. I said, Kasha, it's the same how you come and tell me say you not have a toilet and your sister do them things to you. Start your life. Get 1,000 followers, start your life. Come tell the people them you have good people out there. Them will help you make you get a toilet. Remember your Alice a relative. Remember your Alice a relative. Kasha, remember when you tell the bucket and I tell me everything for help you get a toilet. Tasha, remember when I tell you say, Kasha, seem like how you have the confidence to tell me, push your life and talk. People out there will help you. So how you come on bring me down now? Remember me make you get help. Remember me say seek and you shall find. Remember me come play with you. I mean make the people them see you. I mean add the people them and make them play with you. Remember good no?
Actually gave her a platform from the heart, from your heart. You gave her a platform like you
I
gave
will never
her.
look nothing from you. So when you chat about me add you, I'm supposed to add your baby. But when I add you, you go pass your place and I come talk about oh, I for buy your baby truck. Hey girl, I give you a platform to so why I for buy your baby a truck? Kasha, I never even see a baby yet. I never see a baby yet. I not even know if it's a false baby or a real one. I live actually the same place. I never see a baby yet. So how am I for buy a baby the truck? Which baby you thought? The baby father and the parents them take him away. Remember you not have him. Remember you not have him. So the man will for buy the truck.
Yo, people, Raja mouth bad, you know. Yo, the man chat some sitting about the woman to blow out. See, so this woman here where him attack, she and her baby father did in her some vibes, and she end up choke him up and him drop out. You see me I say? And at them they sitting there Raja tell the woman, cause the woman did want Raja to buy something for him youth that are the same man where she juke up and drop out. Youth with she, and Raja say, you ask me for this and you juke up and dash where the man where did for buy it. You see me I say, so you know me have to cut out them thing they can make and put it up like that. You know what I mean? So me not like my people. Raja and somebody for cuss with. No sir. I'm gonna tell you the things them. So when I make me know all the thing people, we're gonna listen some more. And then we're gonna hear what go on cause Blinger and RT boss kick off and Blinger man get involved. So we're gonna go over there and hear what go on there so.
And girl station go tell lie pa me. Una don't tell me stop, go tell no mama stop. And Mac on see my buy Mac baby chuck and an heart a kill no. And when you see me go give Derek the blood clot 20,000. True you no get the 60 where you did that look. It hurt no. And then I red. Tell the people them the house where me did fix up when the woman move out tight and you did want live in there. That's why you did call me. Cause you think me that go use the local power what I have and the local flex what I have. Or you never thought that you did want me use badness to run with the woman grandson for you get the house. When you saw life funny. When you saw people blood clot wicked. Tell them for make sure go station. Make sure go blood clot station. Because when you saw life funny, when she did want the house from the woman, from her grandson, she did want me come a town, come use badness and run the man. Remember, forget the man grandmother house. Remember, you did want me come use badness and run the blood clot man. Wait till Roger come. Cause when Roger come it now go nice. Wait till Roger come. You did want me use badness to run the woman grandson so you could have get the house evil girl. So all you want say me want send man for you now. All you want talk say me want use badness for you now. Even if me do want use badness for you, so you did want me use badness for somebody else. So what goes for the goose goes for the blood clot yonder.
So people, alright, that's how I go end that. You see me, wanna tell me wanna think. And people, the bucket thing, where them are, you know what I mean, with whatever Alice they do in the bucket, it look like it's a town thing, you know. And yeah, it is a town thing because if a country people, them are go find the nearest bush. You know what I mean? So town people, them have peer people around them, so them have to do what them are doing in a bucket and go dash it to somewhere else. So me no think say would I ever get nothing from no town people with the on roadside I do whatever because enough of them not sanitary. You see me? So people wanna make me know wanna think we're gonna go over and hear what go on with the RT boss Blinger and Blinger man.
T-Boss, me over here so with 2,000 odd people at this year. Send your
Yeah, man.
me. Send your
Yeah,
blood
man.
clot over me because I know my granny.
And today over there chat a 500 and add. Who leave in him a chat? Your police who leave in him a chat and a 500 and add people over there making go. Without Blinger. When Blinger come on the live, when he start from Blinger start rise up.
I was over there and I see when him bring on the local batty boy.
One
and the local batty boy come
Blinger.
like say,
How does that?
Sky Boss, me this you know. Suck your mother Sky Boss.
You sound like a batty
You
man.
and blood clot RT did go suck on the mother.
Straight.
Moderator, please don't add no man. No add no man up here, so me no want no man in the pan the live. So if it look like a man name, man picture no add them none at all.
And if it's a girl and she say RT, kick that.
Nobody now say RT, big batty man, RT. When
No
big
man
batty
I
will fill
say,
a
man,
bomb.
listen, the
so
people them was over there in
disrespectful
the
to
comment section, them
female.
is that in them
Me
that
say
bun
funny
for
come on
long to
tonight,
a
me I say
organic.
yo.
Yeah,
Funny
bring
come
it
on
down.
tonight, me I say yo, what a money a bun, a weed,
And the
a
whole
crack,
for
or a
all
rum,
one
because
day,
the
I
man
don't
want the money a come up.
Big boy, mentally
Say
unstable.
the
while
vibes.
I got the girl
Because
still
he's
sit
a
down on the
fucking
man,
cut.
on the
He's a
idiot bottom
buller
man
man.
guy.
He must die.
The boy
Over
mentally
there.
The man
unstable. Don't think a
murder.
joke. A long time me I said this. Him
Mentally.
unstable. He
And I this
mentally
up the whole of
unstable.
Jamaica. I this up the whole of Jamaica that cut me.
Yeah.
Buller
Don't
man.
speak
You know what I'm talking about, man. Yeah, I'm a Trinidadian and I'm telling you the truth.
He
He must
must be
die.
unalive. Oh no, do the
tell her
code.
bring down
Code it
Jamaica
up.
to you out. Oh,
Exactly.
Jamaica out of your bumbo hole.
Yeah,
Let me
man.
go on the
And
live
Yes.
since
hold
start
on,
and I
I'm
tell
gonna
him say
say this.
that's why Amari box down in blood clot in black me.
Am I box him down?
Yes, fan wait
Of
name there.
course. Of course,
Yes.
funny.
Suck her pussy.
For
And
fear.
put her back in so you do that believe that.
One box when him a go like him want propose to the Queenie. The one
Guys,
Queen
they're gonna,
Amari.
guys,
Go back and talk to
guys,
the
they're gonna
Kuboti
two
man
live goal,
there.
please and thanks, guys. Cause remember, I work, see me. We not reach like RT did it, you know. We not reach like RT did it. So me I
But
beg
the
on a
man
two
then are
live goal,
rich.
please.
Him
Look
not
at
rich.
50-year-old
Rich
boy
people not
and
act
bust it
like
up.
him.
The
None
boy
at
saying
all.
The rich
he
enough
could
to show
find, the
house and
boy
a
say
show
he
this and
could
a
find
show
a
that.
condom,
Him out
so he
them
use
a
one
title him
plastic
fair show and
bags.
fair show title.
Out
Him come
all.
up,
Anybody
Boy
boy,
say he
can
could
show them
him
find
come up, boy,
property.
a condom,
125
so he
lawyer
use
to you. But
plastic
me sit down
bag.
and listen here, me nearly dead.
No man a 52 him a go get it. Think a 25, 52 and I'm nastiness. About
Me
52.
can't
The
believe say little
people
boy, people
plan.
are run talk around
No
and like run little around boy, and have it bust up the true.
time.
little boy and bust up little Jamaicans, boy. if it true.
No
Man, him
time.
dead, man. Cause me I got black here, you know.
Yeah, pussy be a universe.
I who said that a while ago?
But then say,
On RT.
Oh.
Yeah, the partner. Who said that?
Done already. The one who said she get cut off already.
Oh, she get cut off. Yeah, me I said no.
Miss
Bump
Porky
up, fella.
King,
You
she's a
know,
big pussy.
one bling over here, sir. No, that one
One blinger. I have known blinger for over 25
come over here, son, and try
fucking body they send blinger. Especially, listen to me, 25 years now I know bling. And could this blinger.
Man, this blinger. Miss Eating Bow. Babe.
Trinidad boring like inside your mother cunt. You me sexy sim. Trinidad.
Tomorrow, my birthday, dog. I'm just
No, it's not tomorrow. It's in 7 minutes. It's not tomorrow.
What time now?
It's in
Just
7 minutes.
Oh,
Yes. So
God.
I came to wish you.
Happy birthday.
I came to wish you happy birthday, but
Police.
Style bringer.
me I'm
What's
moderate.
up, no matter?
Guys,
Running.
I'm moderating this live.
Don't tell yourself my drink and special, my rice is special. You know.
Guys, I'm moderating this live. So you see when I come up, you see if I not help him class, it don't make no sense when I come up. Cause none of them go class me. You understand? Not one of them go class me over this blood clot. So here I go on now. When I go come up, when I can't come up and help him class. Police, hear me what you do. You have to focus on the target. When you call other people name, you know what happened when you call other people name?
Them trying at the war too.
Yeah, don't call anybody else's name. Focus on the target. RT at this year, you this back RT. I just say it there. You understand? That's how it go. Now if one of their sound and I say one police on come off I'm live. For the people them, the live goal up here, so his birthday is in 6 minutes. His birthday, that's what I keep telling him, D. I have to stand on him. You need to focus. His birthday is in 6 minutes, guys. So may I ask everybody on the live, wanna just start send some gift to him because him go on good. And your business. And
all right, baby.
pork eating babe is my friend.
Yeah, more you do for me. More you have a clip until you just load it, bumbo.
The clip them ready, my friend. I'm a friend this. Pork eating babe.
All right, baby.
You
All
understand?
right, baby. Say
No.
So people, too much confusion did I go on the live a while ago. You see me? But me don't know how this youth here get involved in a RT and bling a thing still. But I am a blinger man, so him can do whatever. Him fin know say RT is not a man like him, you know. You see me? Certain things would have no go for him, it go for RT boss. You know what I mean? Him can do certain things where this youth can't do. So him not in a RT category in a way. So for him the online a cuss. You see me? RT for blinger, it no look good. But a man can do whatever they want to do still. But people, wanna make me know what you think in the comment section. We are gonna watch some more of this and then we are gonna end it.
Listen, you're pissing me off. I need you to focus and stop calling other people name. You understand? You focus on the target. And anybody who now come up here, come up on him side, and for the people in the comment section, wanna start sending gifts, please. His birthday is in 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes.
Miss Blinger, can you add patrol, please?
Yeah, 5 minutes. All right. Cut me down.
All right, mama. Guys, my birthday is in 5 minutes. I'm here tonight. RT boss.
Ken Obia.
Mother.
One blood clot, Miss Blinger. One my mother. What a blood clot, RT boss. I want a bumpy blood clot, RT boss. I try come from my mother. I want blood clotting bout.
Long to see have the Whitney and brother with the grandma there.
Yeah,
No. Consume my snacks.
My side. Tomorrow is my birthday. 5 minutes time is my birthday. So you guys can just go on bless me up from Shirley. The life go lady. If you don't know where to bless me up with, the life go dead. You see me? If you don't know. Guys. Come this the youth, no brother. This no!
Runko Titi.
No!
When I use you.
I'm dead!
Are the girl or this blinger?
Hello, everybody. Top nice. Over this blood clot. Let me sing happy birthday.
Hold on. Daima, hold on. Don't start singing. Hey, Miss Mobby girl, the queen.
Nobody cuss, nobody. I sing me come to sing. When me done sing, I cuss. Yeah.
No, me not cuss yet. Me big you up. Miss Queen of Jamaica, Daima.
Yeah, but me sing to my brother. Me can't get the nice up a son of me to the mic. My brother, boy! Yes! Happy birthday! Them couldn't stop it, them couldn't hold it dog.
I know, sir, you first, mama. That is it.
Happy birthday! You come here,
you are going
Alright, my people. Sorry, there's something in it. But wanna tell me one thing in the comment section, because this youth here, you know, is like he might go hard for blinger, but it kinda mess up him street character in a way. That is just my opinion still. But let me know what other thing. See? Sorry, just some in it, people.